In this video, we are going to see how to steal mobile money agents using fake messaging trick. Now, there are very many people who are stealing mobile money agents using fake messages, but actually, a disclaimer, I'm not really teaching you how to go and steal mobile money agents, and I don't really want you to go and steal mobile money agents. And this video is actually dedicated to mobile money agents so that they can know the tricks that they are using to steal from them so that they can protect your money. You also may want to one day or one time try to protect your brother or sister who is doing that business, or also yourself, you may want to do that business, and maybe you are doing a business and it might also affect you in one way or the other. So watch the video up to the end so that you will never be stolen. Even all the people using mobile money, whether you are just a customer of mobile, you just use it to buy airtime or do anything, they are using this trick to steal from you. So watch the video up to the end, and make sure if you are new here, like the video, then subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss other interesting tips and tricks about mobile money. And we also on this channel once in a while also do making money online, so make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss any other of such thing. So let's go straight into the video. Now, how do they use fake money to steal from mobile money agents? Yes, someone comes to your shop or your container and then says, I want to withdraw 1 million. So I want to withdraw 1 million. The person will be having the 1 million in his account. So what they do, when you type, it gives you a wrong number. Like he's not sure of the number, or he's sure but gives you a number so that you can send a request to withdraw that money. So you type in the number and you send a request. After sending a request, the person will again realize, you'll find the person is saying, you send the request, you have sent. Then the person is like, maybe you have sent to a wrong number, I don't know what, but I'm not getting the request. You try, and nothing's happening. So he will give you another number again for the second time. You press in the number and then it's saying insufficient, the money is not there. The person is like, you are sending to a wrong number. That one alone is now confusing your mind. You are losing focus because now it's trying to take you away from thinking, and you are not really knowing to do the right thing. So he gives you the third one, and you again pressing. You said, yeah, it's another number, it's insufficient, or it's a wrong number. Then it tells you, you know what, no, since you are now failing to pick what I'm saying, give me your phone, let me put in my number so that we can do everything correctly. So he gets your phone. When he gets your phone, he puts in his number, but he doesn't put in number where you're supposed to send a request. He puts in his number and saves it in your phone as MTN mobile money. For example, we are dealing with MTN. This applies for all the networks, please. They can use any network to steal you using this trick. So what he does, he gets your phone and saves his number. By the way, even if you are not an agent, you can be stolen using this trick, because he gets your phone and saves his number, that MTN mobile money. For example, I'm taking an example, we are using MTN. When he saves that number, that MTN mobile money, so he gives you back the phone, and also comes here to the request pad, also request. They are very professional, calm, and they know how to do this thing in very few seconds. You can do it. I myself can do it, and you can do it. But some of you may not do it because it will take you a lot of time to save your number and also send a request. But me, I can do it. Even them, they can do it. They are very calm. They are thieves and they are calm. They have done this thing for so long, so they are calm. They know what they are doing. They are very professional. So he saves his number and also puts the name, the number on the request bar. You send the request and it goes through. Yes, it goes through, because he will be having the money, the real money on his account. So when you send it, it will not tell you that he has insufficient. He doesn't have that 1 million. He will be having it. So you will send the request and it will go through. After that, because he has already saved his number on your phone, he will send for you a message, and for you will see the body of the message. By the way, he uses that opportunity to also know your account balance. He knows your account balance, he knows your number, and he knows where to send the message. So he will edit his message very fast in order to have that account balance and have the date and everything will be perfect. And the time, actually, he will send for you that message, and for you, when you see the message, because it's big money and then you don't have time, you will rush to count the money. He goes with the money. And every time we bring in our mobile money tricks, we give the solutions. And for this trick, we have actually, there's someone we are tracking in the whole of the country. If you're really a mobile money agent, please make sure you join our WhatsApp group. And in this video, in the link, I'm going to put a number that is being that is using this trick to steal very many mobile agents from the cities to the villages. So this number, you find that they are seasonal. These thieves are seasonal. Once they come to your city, they'll be stealing people there like for like a week, then they go to another section. They are the same people just moving within the country. So spread this video, share this video to everyone, so that we can fight against them. So with a some number, that number, you find that it is sending messages to very many agents. So we have tracked the number. Thank God, MTN has helped us to get for us the records of that very number. So I'm going to put a link in the description below. Download that record track. You'll be seeing the location where those persons they were moving in, sending those messages from. The number that has been sending the message is only one number, and it has been sending those messages. So I'm going to put it in the description below. Make sure you get it, and please make sure before you give your money, you have to check your mini statement so that you give your money while knowing that it is going to the right place. Make sure you subscribe and you share this video, like the video. My name is Jibril. Till next time we meet again. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure we are going to bring all the tricks here. Subscribe so that you don't miss any other trick. Thank you, thank you, thank you.